Oh, man. Guys, excuse me? Were you aware that it's 4 a.m.? I mean, look, it's just sort of funny the last 3 nights, but it's getting really old. Ever since you've moved into this tree, I've had a total of 4 hours sleep. 2 while driving. I guess the point is that I'm getting really tired. I am so tired. Thank you. Oh! God, will you shut up? Let me make something really clear here. I do not come in peace. That's it. I'm gonna kick some serious bird butt. You have not seen anything like this. See, that's good. Nobody had to get hurt. Okay. Which one of you guys is going for help, huh?
Whoa, this meeting is gonna go great. Got a basket for less and no less.
Say, it's already open. Why don't we dig in?
Hey, now the stuff in this basket doesn't go together. Who has wine with cheese?
How come they always put these girly frou-frou things in gift baskets? You know, they should make gift baskets that men can enjoy.
You're absolutely right. There should be beef jerky, cigars, and cheese that comes in a spray can.
Chainsaws. You know, in the higher-end baskets.
Good morning.
Morning.
What, Nora's not here again?
Nice basket, Les.
Oh, that, yeah, no, that came for you. That's yours.
Give me my food, you pigs!
Very nice. Thanks. Nora, glad you could join us.
Sorry, I'm late, and I'm sorry. I'm late. I already said that, right?
Let me guess, the birds?
On and on with that high-pitched squawking.
Baby, you gotta get some earplugs, huh?
I tried that. All I could hear was my heartbeat, and then I had to stay up all night to make sure that it doesn't stop.
Well, let's get started anyway. Anyone have any ideas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 words. Mr. Peepers.
Oh, great. I love a good pervert story in the morning.
It's a bald eagle at the LA Zoo, Camilla, and he's not a pervert. Although he has been diagnosed as a manic depressive.
That's interesting.
Bald eagles?
Yeah.
Bald celebrities with bad plugs. That's interesting.
Well, I have one.
Yeah?
This is gonna be huge.
Great.
We start a company that makes gift baskets for men.
You're a genius.
Well, perhaps I should have been a bit more specific. Any ideas for the paper?
No.
And this is why we are number 7. Yeah.
When I run the paper, we were number 3.
Well, wouldn't you just like to be in charge again, huh?
Oh, I'm sorry. Is my agenda showing?
Yeah. She's absolutely right. Okay, now what I want to do is a story on the hermit of Hollywood, Vincent Hartford.
That guy's a nut.
Word is, Hartford has left his mansion and is camped out somewhere in the Hollywood Hills. I want the Comet to find this guy first. Nora. Nora!
Yes, baskets with men in them. Sorry.
Hey!
What are you guys doing?
We did it. We started our gift baskets for men. Witness, if you will, our very first model. It's the Meat Lovers basket. It's got smoked meat, cured meat, and processed meat.
What? No spam?
None of the snooty stuff.
And here's the best part. Les is giving us the meat at cost from his daddy's factory.
Huh? We're going to become millionaires because men love meat. That's what our research has shown.
Ooh, what research?
Nick called his cousin. We thought of everything.
Yeah.
So, people are actually ordering these?
Not technically. We sent them out for free. Yeah.
I get it. Get them hooked on the smoked flavor and nitrates, and then you just reel them in.
Yep. And that's exactly why we sent you one.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. These were designed specifically for men, and you sent me one?
Right.
You guys, born businessmen.
Huh?
Yeah.
You want to take a little wiener?
So, Dave, I mean, I never knew you were an expert on birds.
Yeah, birds and midwives of the Old West.
Look at this mess.
It's one of Nick and TJ's gift baskets.
Oh.
Meat. Nora, I don't want to frighten you, but I believe this to be the work of men.
No, it was birds. It's too late. You do frighten me.
Aha. I've got their ringleader in my sights. Oh, he's big. But he sees me. He's looking right at me. Oh, God, he's got dead eyes. Like a doll's eyes. Nora, hold me.
Dave, first get rid of the birds, and then we'll negotiate, okay?
There he is again. He appears to be the European gold-crested grouse.
The only animal they fear is the Australian miniature sloth. Now, I will attempt to imitate the sloth. Or is the sloth the only animal they eat?
Great, Dave. Now they're loud and hungry. I'm tired as hell, and I'm not gonna take it anymore. Oh, my. You try to treat birds nice. You try to treat them with a little respect. And what do you get? Well, I'll tell you what you don't get. Sleep!
The reclusive millionaire known as the Hollywood Hermit. In other news, officials are still continuing that search for the missing bald eagle that escaped from the Los Angeles Zoo today. The eagle is nicknamed Mr. Peepers. It was raised in captivity, and he's a manic depressive. He may be seeking out the company of other birds. If you have any information at all, that will help officials find this beloved national icon, please contact the LA Zoo.
Oh, my God. I killed Mr. Peepers. It's there, right there.
You called me out of a dinner with Nancy Reagan because somebody couldn't curb their dog?
That. That.
Oh, my God. What is that?
An eagle. A bald, dead eagle, and I did it. Well, I mean, it was bald already, but I killed it. I didn't mean to, you know, just... How do you know Nancy Reagan?
Squash. So, what are you gonna do?
Well, I guess I have to turn myself in.
Are you out of your mind? Killing an endangered species is a federal offense. You could wind up in jail.
But I can't live with all the guilt and paranoia.
Oh, of course you can. I do it every day of my life. Now, the clock is ticking. We have to make this body disappear. All right, you go out, you bag the bird. Be sure you get all the feathers. I've already got lime and a shovel in my trunk.
Wait a minute, I can't do that.
Well, you're going to have to, aren't you? Because now I'm involved. And I'm not going to spend the next 10 years in the big house as some check bouncer's bitch.
I am a very, very bad person.
You're also a very, very bad digger. Why don't you put some muscle into it? I didn't get to the ripe old age of 41 by boo-hooing every time I had to get rid of a body.
What if somebody sees us?
Well, we'll just have to make the hole bigger.
Who's that? Who's that? I'm warning you. I've got a nail file and I know how to use it.
Nora, you got a shovel?
Shovel, shovel, got a shovel.
Good evening, ladies. Welcome to my forest. You wouldn't happen to have an olive on you, would you?
Sorry, no.
Oh, damn. Just not the same with an acorn.
Oh, I know who you are. You're that multi-millionaire, Vincent Hartford.
Would you like to run away with me and start a new race of people?
Why, yes.
Not you. You.
Thanks, but I'm not so sure we'd be a good couple. See, I'm sort of an old-fashioned kind of gal, and, well, you're out of your frickin' mind.
Fair enough. So, what's in the hole?
Time capsule.
Dead cat.
Dead cat in a time capsule.
I see. I thought maybe it was Mr. Peepers.
How do you know about Mr. Peepers?
I'm special.
Look, Hartford, this Howard Hughes act doesn't really impress me, so let's just cut the crap, shall we? Okay? You caught us. Big deal. So what do you want?
What will you give me?
Well, I'll give
Not
you...
you. You.
All right, how about this? We know how much you value your solitude. Let's say you didn't see us and we didn't see you, okay? Come on, let's go.
Whoa. Wait, no, what? Don't go! I'm lonely! I won't forget you! Not you! You!
Come on. Is this your idea of a joke?
Whatever do you mean?
This, Camilla, this. The birds.
Calm down. Have some suet. Oh.
Nora, I need to see you in my nest when you have a moment.
What?
Can I see you in my nest when you have a moment?
Les, why are you saying that to me?
Nora, it's not like I'm asking you to fly south for the winter. And Camilla, do not hog all that suet.
Hey, baby, you got a second?
We want to know what you think of this new basket.
We call it the Take Me Out to the Ball Pork basket.
Get it, ball pork?
What do you think?
Guys, does anything seem really odd to you?
Come on, Nora, we don't have all day. It's your call. Call.
Where are you going, Nora?
Dave, that's not funny.
Funny, ha-ha, or funny, why is Dave dressed like an eagle?
Why is this happening?
Because someone's been a dirty bird.
But tell them it was an accident. Camilla, I didn't mean it.
Oh, Nora, well done.
Dirty bird. Dirty bird.
No.
Dirty bird. Dirty bird.
Oh, thank God. It's just a dream.
Dirty bird.
Dirty bird.
Dirty bird. Dirty bird.
Dirty bird. Dirty bird. Dirty bird.
Dirty bird.
Dirty bird.
Dirty bird.
Dirty bird.
Nora, come on, wake up.
Dave, where are the birds?
You mean that article on Linda Lavin? It's in the hold pile. Listen, Nora, the police have arrested Les for knocking off Mr. Peepers.
Wait, what? How?
I'm not sure. They found the eagle's body, and somehow they think Les had something to do with it.
Oh, no. I gotta get down there right now. Les didn't do it.
Nora, wait. Will you ask Les if I can go home early? It's dead around here.
Come on, I know how it is. You see an eagle strutting around like it owns the place. Gives you that look. And the next thing you know, bam! Somebody's not coming back to the nest.
Before, I never saw the bird in my life.
How did you know it was a bird?
You just said it.
I didn't say that. Did I say that?
Who are you talking to?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm used to working with a partner.
Got the poop on Peepers passing?
You might want to peruse this printout, pal.
Poisoned pastrami, Polanski products?
Precisely.
Preposterous.
This woman wanted to see you.
Don't worry, Les. I'm gonna straighten this out. It's just been a major misunderstanding. Detective, my name is Nora Wilde, and I killed Mr. Peepers with a tennis ball.
Not possible. The victim died from eating tainted meat products from this man's company.
Oh, my God. The basket.
Okay, pal, let's go.
Hey, my family's been making fine, quality meats for over 50 years. Nora, get back to the comment and call my lawyer.
Yeah, don't panic, Les. I've got it under control. Oh, and is it okay if Dave goes home early? Hey, what's going on?
Can't go to jail. I'm too young and too pretty.
No, I'm gonna get auctioned off for a carton of cigarettes.
Help me, Nora.
Oh, gosh, Dave, everything's gonna be okay, all right? I'm gonna take care of everything.
Quid pro quo, Nora, quid pro quo.
Camilla, we gotta call a lawyer and get Les out of jail.
No, little girl. We are calling no lawyers.
Well, then what are we gonna do?
Well, for starters, I would like to extend my office 15 feet in each direction and then reinstall that wet bar.
Camilla, you don't have an office.
Oh, dear Nora. You are so sweet. You are so naive. Two traits I despise. Now, look, Sugar Cakes, do you really think that this was all an accident? The eagle? The baskets? The tainted meat? No. It was all an elaborate plan to put me back in charge of the Comet, where I belong.
I don't believe this. There is no way you could have pulled this off on your own.
What makes you think I'm on my own?
Sweetums. How about a back rub?
Forget it, pal.
Not you. You.
You see, Nora, after we buried Mr. Peepers, dear Vincent here was kind enough to dig up the body and place one of these inside for the police department.
Polanski meat label.
And now, together, we can crush the Polanski empire forever.
I won't let you get away with this.
Don't fight me, Nora. It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. Nora, the meeting is over.
Oh, my God. I had the weirdest dream, and it was so real. And you guys, and you were there, and I threw this tennis ball, and then we were digging in the woods, and then I had this weird dream in the middle of the dream, and and poor Mr. Peepers.
What happened to Mr. Peepers?
I killed him with this tennis ball.
All right, you can't kill an eagle with a tennis ball.
Well, actually, no. Les, it was you and your tainted meat.
Tainted meat? My family's been producing fine quality meats for over 50 years.
Well, actually, it wasn't all the meat. It was just the pastrami.
Okay, the pastrami's been a bit of a problem for us, but look, why don't you go home and get some rest?
Yeah, sweetie. Why don't you take this with you? Come on, there you go. Now get well soon.
Okay, I just probably just need to lie down for a short bye.
Hey, you! Where'd I put the water?